In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up usage alert in Relevance AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the alert settings, how to choose sensible thresholds, and how to make sure the right people get notified before usage gets out of hand. First, open your browser and go to Relevance AI. Once you're in your workspace, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. That's where the main navigation lives, and it's the quickest way to reach the controls we need. From that left-hand menu, click on Settings. Think of settings as your organization's control center. This is where you configure policies and safeguards so you don't have to micromanage usage every day. Inside settings, find and select usage alerts. This page is dedicated to keeping your usage predictable and your budget on track. You'll see options to alert on credits and on actions. Credits generally reflect your overall allowance or plan resources, while actions are tied to how often your agents or automations run. Setting both helps you catch different types of overuse early. Start by setting your credits alert. Enter the threshold at which you want to be notified. A practical approach is to choose a point where you still have time to respond, something like a comfortable mid to high percentage of your typical limit. The goal is to get a heads up early enough to adjust workflows, pause non-essential tasks, or plan a top-up without disruption. Next, set your actions alert. This is especially useful if your usage is spiky or driven by scheduled runs. Pick a value that reflects a healthy baseline for your team, leaving room for normal fluctuations while still flagging unusual surges. Keeping credits and actions alerts aligned gives you a clearer picture of both cost and activity. Now, type in the email where you want the alerts to be delivered. Choose an inbox that's monitored consistently, like a shared operations or billing address, or the manager responsible for usage. You can update this later if responsibilities change, but it's important that alerts don't get buried. Finally, click Save Usage Alerts. Give the page a moment to confirm your changes. Once saved, your alerts are active and you'll receive notifications when your thresholds are met. If you ever adjust your plan or notice usage patterns evolving, come back here and fine-tune the numbers so the alerts remain meaningful. That's it. You've set up reliable usage alerts in Relevance AI, protecting your budget and ensuring you're never caught off guard by unexpected consumption. Thanks for watching and great job taking control of your usage.